Out of This World Barbecue. Yeah. He helped put this all together for us. And I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight, but the most important thing here is I want to introduce to you the person that's responsible for this, our chairman for the last 5 years? 4 years. 4 years, Kathy Martin.
Thank you, Tony. And thank you, everybody. It's so good to see you guys here again. How many of you are returning? Sponsored by the Rotary Club of Apple Valley. This is our 8th year doing the event. My 4th year, 4th year as chair. I love the event. I'm just a glutton for punishment, and they've nominated me chairman for life, which I don't think I'm going to keep that title, but it'll probably be around at least 1 more year on it. This is our biggest fundraiser of the year, the Rotary Club of Apple Valley. We call ourselves the most active Rotary Club in the world, and it's not an exaggeration. And if you saw the list of projects we do and the things that this event lets us support in this community, I'm going to mention just 3 real quick, all having to do with education and literacy, because that was why this started to begin with. Every single year, we give every single kindergartner their own book. And we go out into the classrooms and read to the little kids and give them a book to take home. And it's amazing and really heart-rending, actually, as to how many that's the first book they've had. It's their own, and they get to write their name in it. That's every year. Every year, we give every single 3rd grader in the school district a dictionary. And one that they get to keep and take home and use for their homework, and they write just these amazing thank you notes, and they'll look up some word that they've never heard and share the definition, and it's again really touching. We go out and deliver those personally also. And then we also do a teacher mini grant program, and in the times right now with the education, the cuts in the education budget, the teachers need all the help they can get, so they can apply to our Rotary Club for mini grants up to $300 to do some special project in their classroom that they wouldn't have done otherwise. And that just reaches hundreds and thousands of kids, because it's something usually that's ongoing. They can use it each year in their classroom, and it benefits the programs across all ages. That's just 3. There's like 20 more, and I'm not going to go into all of them. We have let me do it real quick. How many of you are Apple Valley Rotarians? Yay, thank you all. And we have Regatta, our president. Regatta, stand up. See lots of red shirts and some people that don't have their red shirts on yet. That's our chili cook-off committee that's been working hard for several months to get this underway again. And then lastly, the only other thing I want to talk about is I want to thank some of our sponsors, and we have some of them here tonight. Our title sponsor this year, a new sponsor to the event, I don't think they're here, but we're going to just mention, is Valley High Toyota Scion. They'll be out here tomorrow with some cars parked out in the front. They're our top cash sponsor and a big part of why this event's going to be a success. I would also like to thank one of our other Red Chili sponsors, and he has been with us every year. This park is normally just a patch of grass in the desert, and he provides our fencing every year, which is no small task and no small ticket item. So I'd like to thank Accent Fence and Buddy Reese. Another one that we'll give this to tomorrow is El Dorado Broadcasting. That's the local station of radio stations. They've got their RV here, and they have been just running ads like crazy. And Tom Hoyt, who was most recently with him, was responsible for getting us some great coverage. Thank you, Tom. He's moved on, so we won't make him cart the plaque back home, but we appreciate the work that he put into it. Another one of our media partners is Charter Communications, and that is our local cable stations. And Jennifer DeWeese, come on up. Thank you very much, Jennifer. One of our committee members is the owner of the Little Caesar franchises up here, Pat Orr, and he has both radio and TV ads running. For the month of October, he does a special ad with a tag on it for the chili cook-off, so our ad money goes a long way. Hey, here's one. Brand new sponsor, brand new to the desert, or at least to this event. Guy behind the camera, Renee with HighDesertPeople.com. And he is going to be here doing video all day tomorrow. He put up a special web page for our chili cook-off and had an interview of me ahead of time. He's also going to help us create at the end a wrap-up video that we're going to use to help recruit even more sponsors next year. It's going to be a nice sponsorship donation recruitment video. So we appreciate that, Renee. Thank you. Okay, but we do have a lot of sponsors. That's what helps us make this a big success. We're going to talk more about cooking stuff in the morning at the Cooks meeting. We did add a community cook division, so some of you that were here last year know we ran out of chili early on because we were just swamped. So we're trying to make up for that with some extra chili and some extra cooks, take the pressure off the People's Choice that you guys do. We appreciate your support every year. I wish you a great, successful day. It is going to be a perfect high desert day. We're going to have great weather, great fun, and lots of people, and we really appreciate your part in it. Thank you.